Cybrid steals all the damage.jpg. But we caused about 1,000 damage, about 100,000 damage altogether, so
I do think I'm gonna stick to manually aiming in my shots, though. That timer just fucks me up.
yeah, do what you want. You seem to have a good perception of it already. Okay. Neighbors. We got an American carrier, so hopefully he's just got fighters and a dive bomber. Oh, it's the same goddamn map. I keep thinking that this is the other map. The one that where basically everyone starts staring at each other.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so most of our guys are going, or seem to be arranged in that direction, so I suppose it looks like we're going left.
Left. West?
Action stations.
Yes.
Question mark.
Left as in our orientation.
So you mean east? I'm confused.
West. Honestly, I have better luck up here than down south. More cover.
Wait, our left is east. Oh my god, good.
What?
I'm going by the minimap.
Oh,
So our left is facing east.
Yes, it's east based on the minimap, the fucking orientation. Whatever. I go by what I see, not by the map. I'm the best navigator in the entire Navy.
I wonder how many people I can cut off and get rammed.
All of them.
This isn't looking good. You turn. You turn, motherfucker.
He has the right of way.
I'm just gonna slow up and let you get in front.
So I can take all the shots and you can get all the damage, huh? Huh?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
You got me figured out.
I knew it. You know you have a minimum range, right?
Minimum range? What do you mean?
That's also not turned on. Jesus Christ. Or hang on. Whatchamacallit? No. Also, no, it is turned on, I suppose so.
I was shooting just to shoot.
Okay, well, anyway, yeah. You see the gray outline on the minimap?
Mm-hmm.
That's your range.
Okay.
The broken up line is your spotting distance, I believe.
That makes sense.
There's so much random shit not turned on by default in this game, I don't remember what the hell is it turned on.
I mean, I'm assuming they turned it all off by default to help out new players or people who are confused by too many things, but in this you kind of need all that shit on.
Yeah, and they never really actually turned it back on, so there are terrible people out there right now who don't have all of this on. There were people like me about a week ago still playing the game with no information. My god. No wonder nobody fucking learns how to play this game right. We seem to be having destroyer warfare over there. Our kindergarten class is getting into a fight with their kindergarten class.
The wave effects and whatnot, the ripples are actually really good looking.
The game looks very nice, and it runs fairly well. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
actually, no, I take that back. I get 120 FPS in World of Tanks. I get 50 FPS in here.
I'm maxing the game out and I'm getting 60.
Do I have... No, I turned off VSync. What the fuck? And the torpedo planes got... They manually dropped the bomb. Okay. We don't need to worry about him. Actually, no, they didn't. They got in a little bit further.
Let me know when I should launch my fighter. I'm probably not going to be paying attention.
Okay. Also, we're shooting HE all the time, so you don't really need to know this. But in general, most of the time you want to shoot HE at destroyers because if you shoot AP, they'll overpenetrate and they won't do any fucking damage.
Figure.
Uh-oh. Ow. Who the fuck was that? Iron. Okay, we're not gonna go into torpedo hell over there. So I suppose we're gonna turn now and go fight these battleships.
Still gotta get used to the slow rudder.
Hey! We'll fire on the Colorado.
That wasn't far enough.
Wait.
Oh, maybe it was.
Actually, yeah, you might nick him. No, you're gonna get him. A couple shots. Good damage, good damage. Well, good damage for us, I suppose.
Just, continue piggybacking off my achievements.
Okay, Strasbourg.
I'm feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Oh my god, I got used to this fucking rudder.
Don't turn like that, or don't turn wider than that.
I know I accidentally left my auto rudder on.
Because dem AP shell's gonna go right through the side of you.
I'm gonna focus on this naze now.
Okay. Ow.
If I can avoid running into the fucking rock.
The ship is on fire.
Oh, the Baron knows about my weak bow. Oh god. His shots are actually penetrating from once. And sometimes the tank doesn't hold up for a variety of fucking reasons.
Got one fire, hey. You need help over there? You got that?
I'm taking lots of damage, so maybe?
Torpedoes to port. Oh boy. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to stab.
Hopefully they stop concentrating on me. It seemed like they got.
Amazing, that was a shit ton of armor.
Yes, it does, because it's a tier higher than us.
Oh, good. I'm getting lit up by a lot of shit.
I just lit him up. Also, that's a Cleveland shooting at you, so, yeah.
Goodbye.
Ow! We just keep getting the shit end of the stick now. Where the fuck is the rest of our goddamn team, and why aren't these battleships dying faster?
Please no broadside. Oh boy. Oh, I'm not feeling it, Mr. Krabs.
I'm sort of feeling it. Maybe? They kind of just stopped there, though.
I'm gonna get torped. Oh, I'm gonna get torped. No, back up, back up. Oof.
I keep lighting fucking fires on this Colorado like nobody's goddamn business.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news,
You
but...
died.
Yeah?
Now I gotta go forward, and, I'm probably gonna die here,
The
too.
enemy team has taken the lead. The ship is on fire.
I leave you with a final insult. still probably going to make about 70,000 damage.
I only hit 24.
So I got all the damage that game. So yeah, I just kept shooting at that bow and, whatchamacallit, I shoot at that, the Byron and the Colorado repeatedly. Also, a storm rolled in, right as we died.
He
knows!
I think Dust knows. Hi Dust underscore. You get to see me failing horribly.
He's new. I have no excuse though, but I still did 72,000 damage though. We died. We tried. Not our fault. We did our jobs.
The enemy is about to win.
I play this game as if it's a tank without tracks. It doesn't work so well. Dunkerque.
This guy. He doesn't know.
The enemy is about to win.
I really wish we had this weather and rolled a tank.
Yes, and also this reduces spotting range if you hadn't noticed.
I have noticed. Can't see shit.
Kirov's reporting.
Oh, Goon, I believe your ship is finally sinking completely.
Finally.
I see air bubbles. That's neat. That looks like a really cozy island to live on.
Which one?
The one we died by. I think? What? 7, 6?
Yeah, that. That looks like a nice vacation place. Shit, son, my crew probably just, you know, hopped off the boat and then went to live there forever.
Probably. Where's this map?
This is my island. I have no idea.
It looks like Italy. But there were no fights by Italy.
The
No, I'm just confused.
Mediterranean question mark. Also, Liberator on the runway. And a couple of... I think those are... what we call Texans? Training aircraft?
Wasn't the Texan just a Dauntless with no guns?
I think it had longer wings.
Oh, yeah.
And the Australians took it and turned it into the Weirway. It was a light bomber.
We're away. I wonder if that's a pun.
Okay, so I got my mission. Ho 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 ho. And you're all the way down. What happened, Cybrid? What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, okay.
I fucked up.
It's okay, though. I did 50,000 damage worth in fires.
Jesus.
I did 22,000 damage from the main battery HE shells and 50,000 from fires. Because I kept setting the Byron in Colorado on fire, and I actually caught both of them with one salvo once. How's Philippe doing? Okay, we're about 75% away to the next cruise skill. I think I'm going for increased secondary or advanced firing training for increase the secondary range even more, so you can actually get some use out of them because they do get a couple fires once in a while. Secondary Chan is trying her hardest.
Why does this ship have 3 anchors on the front?
Because you gotta stop.
You just gotta stop.
Sometimes you just gotta stop immediately.
I gotta say though, I'm still in the beginning stage of like when I played World of Tanks and everything looked the same.
Yeah. I'm just kind of getting over that by learning how the armor works on battleships and other ships, because it's confusing. It doesn't work. It's not really like tanks, even though it kind of seems that way. The way battleships fight is, well, almost completely different.
I mean, the armor stripping makes sense. It's armored where it needs it most, but it's figuring out where it needs it most.
Yeah, and then there's whatchamacallit, and then there's basically learning how to play that. The Dunkirk is actually, I suppose, unique in the fact that, yeah, actually, there is only one really good way of playing it, and it's facing forward all of the time.
Battle starts.
Okay, where are we going?
We keep getting tier 7. Okay, we're gonna go forward to A, and then not go diving directly into it. We're gonna go see if there's anything over there, and then we're gonna shoot HE at it. And hopefully not get torpedoed, but there's only one destroyer on the enemy team, so we should be alright. I hope. So we're gonna go to A, and we're gonna stop around the mountain, and then we're gonna go see what's over there. And then, depending on what's over there, we're gonna go shoot it. Or we're gonna back up and run away.
Is this thing's reverse speed higher than it should be?
It's a very good reverse speed, which makes sense because, well, oh. But yeah, it's a battle cruiser, so.
You say these words, and it's just bouncing.
Battle cruiser is a fun term for a battleship with no fucking armor. So our belt is really thin, so we don't want to get shot in the side.
You see that word you used, fun.
Yeah.
Just realize we're playing wargaming product.
Yeah, I know. There's no fun.
Enemy force detected.
Just the Mahan just
Torpedoes?
Just torpedo fucking storming the point just in case. But yeah, battle cruisers are designed to go fast.
30 knots does seem pretty fast for something so big.
It is pretty fast. That's the speed of most destroyers.
Oh,
ow!
Hi, dude. You want to go faster?
My ass!
Just a little love tap. Bumping and grinding.
Okay, so we gotta. Okay, I'm gonna put up the spotting plane. See if we can get anything.
What's with the fog?
That's the smoke screen.
Oh!
Another thing you should turn on in settings is visible smoke screen boundaries, so you see where they are. Okay, so, oh great, it's another fucking Nissan. Nasal decongestion.
Oh, I already had that on. That's what those lines are. Okay,
Yeah,
I was just wondering.
Okay, so we're gonna go around here. It doesn't look like there's anything over here, so we're gonna go down here and we're gonna pummel this Nissan.
Nathan,
As soon as we get the fuck around the mountain. Going around the mountain! Come on, you son of a bitch. Any fucking day now. Now we turn the boat a little bit. We don't want to go farther than the halfway point here, I guess. Aight, decent spread. He put the fire out immediately.
Idiot.
He's a dumbass.
Hey, look, 2 more fires.
Oh, they went out because it takes 10 seconds. They can cover fires that. But now we just get to shoot him over and over again! So we just keep hammering and make sure we get more fires. Wow, all those shots missed.
Our team has taken the lead.
Hey!
How about that shit? 2 more fire.
Mogami's pecking at us. again, one hit.
Oh, that was too far forward. Oh, maybe.
Wait, you might hit the bow. Nope.
Everything went over.
Right over. That Mogami in the distance we can actually shoot AP at and probably have a good chance of pinning.
Okay, I'll have it on cue.
Whoa! Oh, goodness! Ah! Torpedo beat!
For fuck's sake. I got a fucking teammate ramming into me.
Uh-oh. I hope those run short. Wait, no. No, you're good. You're fine.
I'm kind of fine.
Actually, no, I'm not fine. Cybrid, look out!
Yeah.
Watch the float plate. Oh, that's gonna be bad.
That's just all of my shit. All up in my shit.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I only took 2 of them. We're alright. Alright.
Partial torpedo beam.
The ship is on fire. Torpedoes, direct front.
Where are these fucking... The destroyer. Wait, no.
Torpedoes.
The Mogami was launching torpedoes at us from way the fuck over there. He's a special son of a bitch. Ow.
Fuso on our left.
He's way over there, so we probably don't have to worry about him. Okay, so 7 seconds, right about. Air!
Our team is taking the lead.
All my shots fell short. Great, awesome. Is it
Please
Dunkerque?
back up.
They are
Please
burning.
back up. Please back up. Please back up. Fucking stop already. Oh my god. Use those anchors.
Oh, the Fuso is shooting at us. Okay, so... yeah. We might actually have to turn this corner here if we want to keep doing this. Or we could run away. Well, I got the Mahan covering us.
Ooh. Ah, fuck.
Fuck it, forward. We've got the Mahan smoke screen to cover us. Come on, Citadel hits. Come on. Hey!
Hey.
Get fucked. Or I'm sorry, we have to use the catchphrase. Get dunked.
Jesus Christ. Get done.
You got a dive bomber coming towards you.
I realize. Oh god.
Hope you enjoy the flares. $6,000 damage. Not bad. We want more fire.
Oh, speaking of fire.
Pew pew, pew pew pew.
Come on, come on, come on. Repair, 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 repair. Let's go.
Look
Hello,
at all
torpedo.
those fucking torpedo. Ow, I got Citadel.
Come on, baby. Take him out. Take him out. Come on, baby. Ah, oh, I got a fire.
Oh, good. You're probably actually gonna kill him with that. Nope. Nope. Well, at least we're...
Can I stop burning, please?
Well, at least we're dodging all of the fucking torpedoes being shot at us. He's dead. He's gonna burn out, so ignore him.
Yep.
Now the Nissan else. Oh, there are more torpedoes. Oh fuck. Cybrid. Ow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shoot him.
Oh, I'm loading.
Mahan, you fool! You foolish fool!
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Uh-oh.
Oh, mistake.
How could this get any worse?
Oh god.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Oh, I'm gonna,
Wait,
I'm gonna
he's
get
gonna-
fucked. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Wait. The Mogami, he torpedoed his... Wow. Holy shit.
Jesus.
Was that the Lexington? Something fucking happened.
Well, I managed 44,000 before I blew up.
Storm's rolling in. I'm still kicking though. I'm still fighting. Fucking Mahan, you idiot. He was.
I'm not sure, but I think he might have been the one that was ramming me earlier.
Yeah, he's auxiliary torpedo belt protection. He's a supplementary bulge.
Bulge, you say? I know that bulge.
Armor.
Goon, I think you mean armor.
Moi. This could be questionable.
Spotter airborne.
That spread! Still gotta fire. What you gonna do, Mako? What you gonna do?
It's like fucking NetDoc is that chick from Metal Gear Solid 2 that can bend bullets around her. That was a perfect V around him. I'm not even joking. I saw that from the
Fucking
air.
fortune!
Do it!
Hey! 3 fires! Oh, he put one out.
The entire back half of this ship is on fire.
I don't want to get citadel, so I'm gonna try and turn really hard. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Come on, fucker. Secondary champ. Mama. Get him. Well.
Ooh.
And we all sit by the fire down in New Mexico. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, the Fuso. Oh. Oh no.
He's full health.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
He just shot down a fucking fighter.
Cybrid, you know what I have to do.
I know what you have to do. Make it so.
Tonight we will make fresh bread.
Fuck. Get out of here.
My turret got incapacitated.
Critically damaged.
Doesn't matter though, because I got repair party. Alright. Well, I'm out of repairs too. None of those shells did any other damage though. Dang it. Wow, those splashed right into the water. That's what I get for aiming low. No pen. Yeah, no pens. You cannot stop my love, Battleship Princess! It burns like the fires on your deck that do not exist. Oh! Get dunked!
Do it! Holy fuck!
Totally worth it.
Holy fuck!
100,000 damage. Done.
Sweet. Let my customers know tomorrow there will be no fresh bread. Oh.
Now we go to the bottom of the mattress. Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
That was totally worth it. That was absolutely worth it. Every second.
His propellers are still spinning.
She's a fighter.
Your underside's in the wrong medium for those to work, I think. He's just performing evasive maneuver. Good old Emmelman in a ship. That was good, I like that. I mean, I got fucked. That idiot that kept ramming us, though, my god.
That's a good game.
That was a good game. I think we have to try to dunk the last ship alive every time. Speed Phantom. Does he know how to spell Phantom? Phantom?
Well, Cybrid, I tried to spell phantom and I got phantom, and so, you know, I ain't gonna judge.
Oh, that's how you got that.
That was me in 2003, I think?
See, funny thing, good. You remember that flying dick copter video you posted?
Yes.
I saw that like 12 years ago, or whenever you posted,
Uh-huh.
and now we're best friends. Life finds a way.
Magic!
If only we could have gotten on that fun boat a little bit earlier, you know?
You see, boys and girls, dicks are magic. They do accomplish things. Great things.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
He didn't even need a torpedo beam. Okay. Not a bad goddamn game. Cruiser weight. Uh-huh. We're already halfway done with cruising for bruising. Cruising for trouble.
Wait, I shot down a plane.
Yes,
Or
you
my
did.
plane shot down a plane.
I didn't shoot down any planes, but I got top XP in the entire game.
All right,
Oh!
my captain is Pierre Monnier.
Pierre, I have Philippe.
Monnier. Monnier. Oh.
42,000 damage for ramming.
All right, I got one more left in me.
All right. Yeah, my captain's name is Philippe Chalet. He is the captain of the battleship Dunkerque. He dunks. He is part of task force enduring slam jam. Or something more clever than that. I'll give it time.
Ideas take time.